Going on a nature hike in what we call the Michigan Mountains, which is really called the Black Hills, right? Or Beard Hills? Okay. Chris was making fun of Aubrey's hiking attire. She's wearing a princess dress with fancy shoes. And Avery, let me see your shoes. Definitely hiking shoes. Okay, let's go.
No ticks, no ticks, no ticks. Oh, I'm not going down there.
Looks pretty cool so far.
We're not going down there. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Is this a canyon? Is this a canyon?
Is this a canyon, Aubrey? Yeah.
That's it, yes. It does look like it.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh look, there's the Black River down there.
Don't follow the Black River.
You want to walk that way for a minute?
Yeah.
I don't want to lean over too far. It is quite a far drop. So cool. And this is literally in our backyard. Well, we had to drive here, but it is, what, 5 minutes from our house? Oh, grasshoppers.
I know there's so many. Look it. There's a canyon.
You hold my hand, seriously, because I have a feeling you're gonna whoop.
Okay, but what are we going to do?
We gotta jump over.
Look at how cool.
Ready?
No. It is beautiful.
It is so beautiful. Doesn't it feel like you're in the mountains?
Yeah, look at the trees way over there. Wow.
Oh, and there's a hiking trail. It goes all the way over.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do that, are we?
No.
A hiking trail?
Next time when we're better dressed, we'll go down at the bottom and go down one of them, see if we can get to the creek.
Oh, yeah.
So this
Pretty
is the
cool.
spot we're going today?
Yeah, when you do the scenic overlook.
What? That was
Grasshoppers.
All, that was all we did today? That was all we did?
Yeah. Aubrey wants to keep hiking. Normally she doesn't want to.
Hold still. Because you scare me.
You're making Daddy nervous.
I want to go more.
There's the Black River.
You make me nervous because you fell out of a seat in the kitchen. Oh, on the side of a cliff.